In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a rating for a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you've just discovered a fantastic bargain or want to give feedback on a purchase, rating a seller is a great way to share your experience. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure that you're able to provide valuable feedback that helps both the seller and other potential buyers. To begin, open Facebook Marketplace. You can do this by navigating to facebook.com/marketplace if you're on a desktop using Chrome or any other web browser. If you're on a mobile device, simply open the Facebook app and find the Marketplace icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the Marketplace, we'll proceed to the next step, accessing your account. Now you need to go to your account settings within Marketplace. If you're using a web browser, you can find your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. On the Facebook app, your profile picture will be located at the bottom. Click or tap on your profile picture and a menu will pop up. From there, you want to select your listings and purchases. This section contains all your buying and selling activities on Facebook Marketplace. Next, you'll want to locate the specific transaction for which you wish to leave feedback. Under the buying section, you'll see a list of items you have purchased. Browse through this list until you find the item related to your completed transaction. Once you've identified it, click to open more details about the transaction, such as the chat or any specifics regarding the purchase. This will provide you with the background needed to proceed with leaving a rating. Now it's time to leave a rating for the seller. You should now see an option that says Rate Seller. Clicking on this will present you with three options: positive, neutral, or negative. Choose the one that best reflects your experience with the seller. Your honest feedback is valuable and plays an essential role in maintaining the integrity and trust of marketplace transactions. If you wish, you can also add a short review or comment. It might be something like fast response, item as described, or any other specifics about your interaction that others might find helpful. Finally, after you've selected your rating and optional additional comment, go ahead and tap Done. Once your rating is submitted, you've not only shared your experience but also contributed to the broader Facebook Marketplace community. Your feedback will assist other buyers in making informed decisions and encourage sellers to maintain or improve their service quality. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you've successfully rated a seller, contributing to a transparent and trustworthy marketplace environment. Thanks for watching, and happy buying on Facebook Marketplace.